Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by collecting a tape measure, graph paper, pencil, and a clipboard. A laser measure speeds things up. Walk the space and measure outer walls first, because they define the shell. Once done, measure from fixed reference points, corners or door frames, to each door and window. This prevents cumulative error. Make sure to write measurements directly on the graph paper using 1 square equals 1 foot or your chosen scale, and label walls clearly so you can redraw accurately. You now transfer those field measurements into a scaled drawing using graph paper or simple CAD. Start with exterior walls, then insert interior partitions by measuring from a stable reference line. This avoids drift. Take care to show wall thickness, door swings, and window sill heights as you go, because these affect furniture and circulation. Once drawn, add dimension lines for both overall spans and individual segments, so installers or movers can interpret the plan without guessing. You finish by cleaning up the drawing, darken final walls, add a north arrow, legend, and a clear scale bar. Walk the room again to verify critical dimensions like door swings and clearance spaces. Make sure furniture fits the intended layout. Once done, save or photograph the plan and label revisions with dates. If measurements disagree by more than 1/2 unit, remeasure that segment from 2 fixed points to resolve errors before anyone builds or buys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.